Hey, you know those Watch Mojo? Okay, hold on. You know those Watch Mojo videos on YouTube? They're awesome. It's like top 10s of like coolest shit ever. Just anything. And I just thought of one. So while I'm watching the movie This Is the End, which is an awesome movie with like great freaking actors. Check it out. It's called This Is the End. James Franco, Jonah Hill. It's awesome. Like, trust me. I saw it back in North Carolina in 2013 in like one of the greatest movie theaters ever. That along with like Pacific Rim during Liberty when I was like 19 years old in the Marine Corps. And I fell in love with it then and I'm still in love with it now. So long story short, I'm like into apocalypse movies right now. Like, the apocalypse videos. And I just thought of something for Watch Mojo. Alright, ready? Top 10. I'm not going to be able to repeat it. Long story short, top 10 people you would want to be with or accompany you in any type of quote-unquote apocalypse type setting, which may be from a comet, a zombie apocalypse, you get the drift, anything like that. And I actually came in at number 1, believe it or not. Number 1, Sammy D, aka Caribbean Prince / La Vida Loca. And this was actually unanimous. This is what I heard from my friend who actually works at Watch Mojo. And she said, and the reason why is because he just seems like a good time with good vibes. And it was an astounding vote. And also they added in, plus, quote unquote, he's cute. There you have it. God bless you. Have the best rest of the week. Hoorah. Stay peachy.